That's the wine cellar back there.
How many artifacts did they find? 12,475.
Look at the picture of the serving dish.
Oh, wow. We don't make stuff like that anymore, do we?
No.
The quality's all gone.
The ceiling joints are just...
Look how thick.
Yeah.
You don't get that in these new homes.
And they said, why are they so dirty? And it's because if a fire started in the kitchen, the ceiling would collapse. So it was it was done on purpose so that if a fire started, the ceiling would collapse down and put out the fire.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that was their thinking.
Door.
And this is probably the original wood, Michael.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but look at the difference between that flag and that flag.
There's an extra stripe, red stripe in that flag.
Right.
What was it? What was that again?
Yeah.